This is the Amazon Choice recommended for high security monoblock deshackle padlocks. It's branded UGR. It's sold by a company called EZA Trading. This is not a good lock. I'm going to show you 3 ways to open it, and honestly, picking it's the hardest way to open it. It's not terrible as far as fit and finish goes. The whole thing's supposed to be hardened, stainless steel. The thing weighs about 2 pounds. It's not a huge lock, but it's heavy. So first, it can be bypassed. All I'm doing is going in behind all of the key pins and lifting up on the locking mechanism, and it pops right open. It can be raked. I'm going to use a Covert Instruments 40,000ths turning tool, bottom of the keyway, and the Covert Instruments shorter wave brake. I mean, it's like nothing. To open it by picking it, I'm going to use the same Covert Instruments turning tool, but top of the keyway tension. Then I'm going to use the 20,000ths standard Peterson hook from the Las Vegas kit. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, got a little click out of 3, a little click out of 4, a little click out of 5. There was some counter rotation, so this does have spools in it. On 4, I got a little counter rotation. 3, so number 1, and it's open. I mean, any way you get into this, it's just not a great lock. It's not something that I would actually use myself.